Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. Sorsogon is home to several cold freshwater springs, offering refreshing escapes amidst lush natural surroundings. These springs, often fed by underground sources from Mount Bulusan and nearby watersheds, are perfect for cooling off after exploring the province's beaches and volcanoes. Located in Bulusan, Sorsogon, Kambal Busay Falls and Hidden Falls are two breathtaking waterfalls tucked away in a lush forested area. These three natural wonders offer a serene escape for nature lovers, trekkers, and adventure seekers. Doon yung registration dito sa Zoe's Resort. 150 yung bayad. Welcome to Kambal Busay, Hidden Falls, and Bulugan Falls. So 3 falls in one resort. Dito ako nag-park. May mga cottages din dito. So yung katabi niyang cottage na yan, narinig ko na yung fall. Kambal Busay and Hidden Falls. 18 steps. 118. Ito yung daan, pababa. Medyo hindi naman madulas. Hindi sure lang yung slippery. Kuya, yun yung Kambal Busay? Ayan pala yung Kambal Busay. A short, easy trek through a well-maintained trail leads to the falls. Green na green. Mas yung paligid ka sa green. May gate. Sarap. Ako yung unang tao dito. Wala pang time. Wow! Kambal Busay translates to Twin Cascade because of its two parallel waterfalls flowing down a rock formation. 5-meter high cascade with crystal clear water collecting in a shallow natural pool at the base. Wow! Ang ganda dito! This is a perfect spot for a refreshing dip while enjoying the surrounding greenery. Sobrang sarap ng tubig, lamig, ang fresh, ang Kambal Busay. Next, punta naman tayo sa Hidden Falls. So magta-trek lang tayo. Short trek lang naman daw to. Yung Hidden Falls. So tingnan natin. So may tulay naman dito. Go! Lalapit pa tayo. Wow! Ganda dito! Okay, baba pa ulit tayo. Let's go closer. Wow! Hidden Falls is a short trek further into the forest from Kambal Busay. Taller and more dramatic than Kambal Busay, Hidden Falls cascades down a rugged rock wall into a deeper natural pool. It's more secluded and peaceful, ideal for those seeking a tranquil nature retreat. Babalik na tayo. nakapunta din ako dito Hidden Falls. For trek lang siya. And ang ganda no daanan. Safe naman. May mga hawakan. Hindi naman madulas yung mga bato. And yun, worth it na parang 2-minute trek lang siya. So dapat puntahan din talaga. Kasi ito lang ang kambal sa Isurina sa harap. Hindi na napupunta yung Hidden Falls. Pero yun, ang ganda. So you must try it.
Best time to visit would be morning to early afternoon for the best lighting and water visibility. Rainy season, from June to October, is recommended for a stronger water flow.
Ito naman, papunta naman tayong Palugtok Falls. Nagmotor ako papunta and then nung wala ng semento, naglakad na lang ako kasi mamaya maputik na naman kasi umulan. Kung tama naman ako. So, Palugtok Falls, Spring Resort. So may kabayaran na. Ang ganda naman daanan dito, Palugtok. So may hagdan. Yung develop din naman pala to. Pero hindi siya along highway or along daan. Papasok pa sa isang maliit na eskinita. Cool. So ito natural water. Cold spring siguro.
Palugtok Spring is a natural cold spring located in Kasiguran, Sorsogon, known for its clear, refreshing waters and tranquil rural setting. Surrounded by lush greenery, it offers a peaceful escape for those looking to relax in nature.
So doon yung galing yung fresh water. And then ito gumawa sila parang pool dito. So napapalitan yung tubig. So ito yung inflow ng water. So magkano siya dito sa pool. And then dito naman yung outflow ng water. So lagi din siyang napapalitan. So alam naman yun is talaga fresh water.
The pool is fed by a natural underground spring, keeping the water clean and refreshingly cold year-round. Unlike man-made pools, the spring maintains its raw natural charm with a shallow, gentle flow of water perfect for a relaxing swim.
Dito naman tayo ngayon sa Masakrot Cold Spring.
Masakrot Spring in Bulusan is a natural spring with crystal clear, cool water flowing from underground sources. It has a large pool, making it a popular local swimming spot. The resort provides cottages, picnic tables, and shaded areas, perfect for family gatherings and group outings.
Okay, dito na tayo sa Balay sa Uma Bee Farm.
Balay sa Uma Bee Farm is an ecotourism farm in Bulusan, Sorsogon, known for its organic farming, honey production, and farm-to-table dining experience. It offers a peaceful countryside escape where visitors can learn about beekeeping, sustainable agriculture, traditional Filipino farming practices.
So, puro beehive yan. So, pero yung mga baboy ko maliliit lang. So, ito yung pinaka-coffee shop nila or cafe. Try natin to later.
The farm grows fresh vegetables, herbs, and fruits using organic and sustainable method.
Bali may walkway na dadaanan dito. So, ang makikita mo may mga beehives sa paligid, may mga flowering plants. So ito yung fairness, may ganito sila. Batis sa Uma.
Also, there's a natural swimming pool with refreshing clear waters surrounded by lush greenery.
Balay sa Uma Bee Farm. Ganda ng resort dito. Ganda rin ng pool. Well-maintained siya. Tsaka ang daming plants, daming flowering plants, daming trees. So green. And then yung mga cottage nila, tendal living. So ganda dito. You have to visit it. Ganda dito. I like it here. Ang daming cottage. More cottages. Ganda oh. So bali dito yung labas ng tubig. So malamang galing dito sa falls, sa bundok. Ang galing, nakakatuwa kasi may lambat doon, nakafilter yung mga kalat.
The farm is surrounded by lush greenery and rolling hills, offering a perfect spot for relaxation and nature.
So, andito naman tayo sa Liang Cave. Medyo mahirap lang siyang hanapin. Magtanong na lang kayo sa locals. Ano natin anong meron dito sa Liang Cave. Sana may mga tao din. May hagda naman, kaya lang maulan ngayon eh. So sana hindi madulas. Morning po! Ayan. So ang entrance fee po ay 20? 20
lang po.
Okay. Bawal tabi mag-date sa loob ng kuweba. Bawal daw ha. Ayan, sina ate, sila yung sa registration. Ito daw, puno ng dao. So ito yung mga waiting area. Ah, dito pala, open area. Yan na yung pool, ang ganda. Linaw. Wow.
Liang Cave Pool is a hidden natural wonder in Sorsogon, featuring a mystical cave with an underground freshwater pool. This secluded destination is perfect for adventure seekers who love exploring caves and swimming in cool, clear waters. The entrance leads into a dark and short path with ample space to walk in. Inside the cave, there's a shallow, freshwater pool with refreshing cold water, perfect for a dip after a trek.
Ito na yung mga ibon yung entrance sa'yo. Ayun, ito na pala. Ayun, may gagawin mo. Ayun, ito na yung end.
The cave pool has an eerie yet beautiful ambience, making it a unique experience for explorers.
So dito yung Biyong Cold Spring pala sa Barangay Alegria. Then katabi lang siya ng tulay. Dami ding river dito sa Bicol talaga. So ang option daw magmotor or maglakad. Kaya lang pag naglakad mga 20 minutes po. So nagmotor ako kasi yun yung sabi. Kaya lang dahil umulan, medyo maputik. So nag-slide yung motor. Pero sa putik lang naman. So okay lang naman, wala namang nasaktan. Hindi naman ako nasaktan. So ngayon may ito, hindi na to kaya motorin. So walk na lang dito. So ito na yung Biyong Spring. Walang tao.
Biyong Cold Spring is a small but serene spring-fed pool surrounded by rice fields and coconut trees. The water is cold and continuously flowing, ensuring a clean and refreshing dip.
Yung tubig na to, tumukulong ko pang supply sa bukid. Bababa tayo. Wow! Hindi naman siya sobrang lamig. Yan. Uy! Malalim din pala siya. Wow!
This is perfect for a peaceful swim in a rural setting away from tourist crowds. Best time to go would be the warmer months during March to May.
Yan, sobrang refreshing dito. Cold spring. So punta kayo dito. Swerte ko kasi ako lang mag-isa. Ayan, maganda. Worth it.
La Cristi Spring is a natural cold spring resort in Sorsogon, offering a refreshing escape with crystal clear icy waters surrounded by lush greenery.
Entrance is 35 pesos. So ito siya, cold spring. Oh, malawak siya. So free flowing din yung water. Lamig ng tubig.
Known for its relaxing ambience and family-friendly setting, it's a great place to cool off and unwind. The pools are continuously fed by natural underground springs, ensuring clean and cool water all year round.
So ito palabas naman yung tubig.
The spring has been developed into swimming pools, making it a comfortable and safe spot for visitors for all ages. Surrounded by trees and lush vegetation, it offers a calm and relaxing environment away from crowded tourist spots.
Na ako sa last stop, yung Tangke Nature Spring. Grabe yung biyahe. Siyempre hindi ko po na kaya i-video. Pero hindi siya along highway. Nasa gitna siya ng gubat. Pero kagandahan, may small walkway yung parang semento na yun. Pero sobrang kitid lang niya. So kapag may makakasalubong kang motor, so mag-stop ka and then slow down. And then meron ding pa-steep na bridge na maliit lang din. Nakakatakot. Pero kinaya naman. So yun. Worth it naman ang punta ko dito. Ito ang mga parking. Ang dami rin motor Tapos ang dami ko rin nakasalubong kanina ng mga taong galing dito. So tingnan natin.
Tangke Nature Spring is a hidden freshwater spring in Sorsogon known for its cold crystal clear waters and truly natural setting. Tucked away in a lush forest, this spring forms a natural pool where visitors can swim and relax, making it an ideal spot for those seeking a peaceful retreat.
Ganda din Lawak din ng pool. May ganda. So worth yung pagpunta mo dito kasi maganda siya talaga rin. Tsaka ang lawak ng pool. Ang dami rin pupunta talaga dito. Ang dami ng mga pool nila. Ito pala yun yung pool. Ito pa pala yung pinaka-pool. Yung pool. Ganda nga. So ito yung mas maliit.
The spring-fed pool remains cold year-round, perfect for cooling off on a hot day. Natural swimming pool with refreshing clear waters surrounded by lush greenery. Unlike more popular springs, Tangke is relatively undiscovered, making it great for those who prefer a tranquil escape. The spring is a favorite among locals who visit for relaxation and small picnics.
Sa San Benon. Ito yung parking na San Benon. Ang dami rin tao. So very popular talaga to kasi sila lang yung may hot spring. Magkano po babayaran ko?
104 lang po.
104. Yan, dito na tayo sa loob. May itsura dito. Ang dami rin tao.
San Benon Hot Spring in Erosin, Sorsogon is a natural hot spring resort known for its therapeutic, sulfuric waters heated by the nearby Mount Bulusan volcano. Nestled in a lush, forested area, it's a perfect place to relax and unwind after exploring Sorsogon's natural wonders. There are multiple pools with varying temperatures from warm to slightly cooler, allowing visitors to choose their preferred comfort level.
Pag magaganito kayo, dapat 10 to 15 minutes lang and then take a cold shower after para hindi kayo mahilo lalo yung may mga hypertension, elderly, or dun kayo sa medyo warm lang yung temperature, hindi ka na kayo pero same pa din ahon kasi mahihilo kayo.
Shallow pools and shaded areas make it ideal for families and groups. Best time to visit would be early morning or late afternoon for a cooler, more relaxing experience. Sorsogon definitely has the best nature experience with its cold and hot springs that provide refreshing, calming, natural swimming spots that are perfect for cooling off and enjoying Sorsogon's lush landscapes. This is On The Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!